So guys, how you all doing? How you doing? So yeah, I'm eating ChinChin with groundnut. I'll pour my groundnut inside. ChinChin with groundnut. I've eaten also tried that before. Don't mind my bonnet. It's because the bonnet is so loose, that's why I make it over.
My hair is so beautiful.
So you all, you were resuming school tomorrow.
Yeah, it's on Thursday.
Hmm.
It's on Tuesday. So I'll be in school on Tuesday. So we are eating our breakfast.
You all, this is nice. They gave me to take to school, but she's there eating to tea. Stop finishing this now. In fact, you stop eating now. Come on, we keep that. Is it my own? You big one. If you eat this one, you don't eat again. Choose one. So where are you watching us from? How is everyone? And how is your day going? ChinChin and groundnut is so delicious. So crunchy. This is boiled. Boiled on my face. And I'm kind of thankful. But the big one. I told you if you collect that big one, you know it. She never collected the big one, so she's not going to eat.
You want to see the big one?
That's finished.
You don't even know to me. Give me the granite.
Take. So this is how we are spending our day. Shakam. Finish. It has finished. I wish I can have 10 of this right now. I'll finish it. But this one is the last one. This one is the last one and we have to manage.
So we're gonna be managing. Oh, Lozzie. Wow, what a nice name. Hi, Lozzie. Hi, Lozzie. Hi, Lozzie.
Let me read out the voice over that I did last Saturday that I made my hair.
From the day
I stepped into the salon, I knew I was in for a transformation. But little did I know it would take not 1 but 2 days to bring my vision to life. Day one was just the beginning. My stylist got started on my hair, but we couldn't finish it that day. I had to come back the next day to complete the look. All these times, I've been sticking to the same old braids, all back. But today, I decided to mix things up and try something new. Like every time, I'm always on all back. So today, I decided to try something new. This is the voiceover I recorded that I did, so I want to read it out to you people. But today, I decided to mix things up and try something new. And let me tell you, I am loving the results. Everything about this look feels fresh and exciting. I'm so glad I took the leap and tried something different. Like I'm so glad I took a bold step to try something different. Not every time all back.
me, I just play other.
It's amazing what a new hairstyle can do for your confidence and mood. And no more all back for now. I'll be holding this new hairstyle to further notice. Bye. Say bye bye to all back. I'm switching things up and embracing the new look for now. See you guys later. Bye. This was the voiceover I did when I made my hair. Don't worry, I'll show you all the video when I post it. I'll show you all the video. It was a so amazing day. Bye. You all should stay safe. God bless you for liking this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Bye. See you in my next video.